We're always looking at ways to eat healthier and also to save money, especially in this current climate. So that's why we grow most of our own vegetables all year long. But also we cook things in certain ways. We don't fry chips, we bake them. And we leave the skin on because that's even more nutrition. So we just make a few tweaks on what we do. We save a little bit of money, we eat healthier at the same time. There's nothing wrong with a nice juicy burger, but why not add some microgreens to it? You can grow these at home. We do lots of different types. Just in a little pot like that, overseed it, let them grow. Virtually any vegetable that you can think of can be a microgreen, and microgreens have got 40% more nutrition than a fully grown plant. These are radish, but you can do cabbage, cauliflower, broccoli, and just grow them into little seedlings like this. And then you just chop the tops off, and then you can sprinkle them on your burger. Make yourself a nice little side salad of mixed microgreens. When you're making your chips, just cut them into wedges, pop them on a tray, and then bake them in oven. Leave the skin on, even more nutrition. So you can have burger and chips with a really nutritious little side salad as well. And not only are you getting the health benefits from that, you're also saving a little bit of money as well from going out to the shops and buying bagged salad that's probably only got a shelf life of 2 days. Just pop some seeds in a little pot like that and then put them on your windowsill. You can even grow them in little plastic tubs like this, and you don't even have to put compost in. That's another benefit. You can just line the bottom with paper towels, sprinkle your seeds on and leave them somewhere to germinate. And they'll still come up just like that. So you can basically grow these highly nutritious microgreens for virtually no cost. Obviously with these wedges, we're just going to slice them. And I'm using a low calorie spray oil. And we'll get these wedges on. And just pop them on the top shelf of your preheated oven at about 190. And then we can prep ourselves some microgreens. So basically just grabbing them in a bunch and just cut straight through. You got some really tasty, nutritious food there. This is another bag of microgreens that we harvested earlier in the week, and these ones have also got pea shoots in them. Really tasty, taste just like peas. So we can add some of them. So we can prep ourselves up a really nice, healthy salad. A few of these fresh cut radish, and then a mix as well with these pea shoots. We also grow our own regular lettuce. So we can take a couple of these leaves as well, pop them on there. Fresh tomatoes straight from greenhouse. And we'll just slice those in half. We can add a little bit of freshly chopped onion too. And then we'll add a little bit of grated cheese. And that's your salad all prepped up. These amazing little microgreens. You could just make this salad up with just microgreens of different varieties. So now all we have to do is bake those wedges, grill that burger and pop it on with his own grown fresh salad. But then again, if you're like us and grow lots and lots of different types of fresh salad, and microgreens. You could always serve that burger for a full-on, fully loaded salad. Just like that. Now, if that's not inviting, I don't know what is. You'll take care.